Hey folks, I've got a cool video for you today. This is on the Blindmark sheetrock guides, I guess is what you would call them. They're for your outlets. Set comes with 3 units that go in your boxes and then 1 cover plate. Pretty straightforward. I'll show you how they work. We get one of them. Now I recommend that you mark these with a Sharpie because it's real hard to see that arrow, and that's really important. That's the only thing using these that's actually kind of critical, is if you get these aim in the right direction. Of course I always aim up, but because if you put your target your cover guide over it, then it will misalign. So these are spring loaded, and sorry about the amount of light. We're in a work zone, so you just slip them in the holes, your screw holes on your box, just like so, and you're good to go. Throw your sheetrock up, and I'll show you how the cutting goes next. All right, our next step, we take our little guide, make sure we've got the arrow pointing up, which is where we put our box, and you can. Now if you rub it around a little bit, it'll help center, because you can put it crooked, but you know you don't want it crooked. If you just kind of feel, twist it just a little bit, you can feel where it's dead on. And then all we do is we score it with pencil. I like this system better than the blind running a RotoZip, because those RotoZips, man, they are just, they chew. If you hit them right, that's fine, but I have seen so many boxes back when I was a contractor that they ran on the inside of the box, did on the outside, and then they got caught in the wiring and messed up the wiring and just did all kinds of stuff, or they just tracked really far out, and that's really hard to sheetrock, all that chewed paper. So anyway, instead of using a RotoZip to cut this out, I prefer to use an oscillating tool. Grab it like one of these, and they got them cordless. I'll cut this out. I won't bore you with that part of it, and I'll show you the finished product here in a second. Okay folks, there's the cutout. You see our boxes nice and tight. I will tighten up our rock now that I've got it all the way, got a hole for it. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll have a couple more tips for you here this week on sheetrocking.